RGTI stock analysis and price predictions for Monday is Rigetti Computing stock buy. I'll be breaking all of this down in this very brief and short 1-minute video. Now, no one else in the stock trading space has an actual more videos than me made. Like I have 44,000 and it's all documented. So I've seen what's working for me and what's not. I mean, it's been 5 years of experience, so it's not like a get rich overnight scheme and I finally figured it out, right? After a very much 3, 4, 5, 6 longs, I've gotten 3 wins, 2 break-evens, and 1 loss here lately. Lately has been just a break-even and a loss. But the only thing that I'm looking to do, this is kind of last hope. If there's one more loss, that I'm not taking this range and not trading it, but because I have a rule, of course. But unless only if the price pulls down and gives me the confirmation is when I'm actually going to look for buying. Other than that, really, me buying, it's not going to be happening. And with Rigetti, I also got about 55 results here as well. So yeah, let me know what is your opinion on RGTI. And if you want to stay tuned and get my money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description. I will continue to keep you updated. Goodbye and enjoy.